Alright, so it's the evening before my plumber is supposed to be coming to work on putting the sump pump discharge into the storm sewer. And let me show you the before. So it's all been flagged out. A couple days ago it was like a parade of people here to stake things out. And it was already staked out. I don't know why 3 additional vehicles needed to come to check everything out, but this is the storm sewer main. And that's the sanitary main. And there's storm main on the left, sanitary main on the right. Kind of also doing this for my own future knowledge, so I can locate things if I ever need to. And I was actually incorrect. I thought the plumber was going to tie into this storm drain, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Here's the gas line here. Where it is in relation to the tree. That's where my gas main, metal cover there, and the water shutoff is. It's kind of almost in line with each other. And apparently from the gas main, it goes off at an angle to the house. That's what that looks like. And the main line comes across here. And we have all sorts of things staked out over here. So this is where they're going to tie in, apparently. We have the water line. We have fiber optic line. The fiber optic, does it say? It's either fiber optic or telephone. And this apparently is where they're going to come out. So they're going to come out of the corner of the house as expected. And then they're going to make a 45 and kind of follow the property line out to the road. And then they'll tie it in. The town will tie it into the storm sewer. And I don't know if my plumber is going to get to that today, or actually when he comes tomorrow, or if he's going to do it in the future, but this clean out, they're going to bury it under the ground. So this is sticking up, I'd say 8 to 10 inches, probably 8 inches. And that's like right in front of the house. And it's been annoying to mow around, so it'll be nice to get rid of that. So again, just kind of lay of the land for future reference. And I'm standing in the corner of the house. I'd say I could actually approximately measure it out. So let's start at the road. Start right at this edge here. I'll just kind of walk it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 feet is where the gas main is. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18 feet is where the water main is. Is there any kind of designation on the road that we can remember this by? Alright, so from the stop sign, there's a curvy piece of um, of concrete drain. So the curvy piece, then we got 1, 2, 3 and a half, and 4. So all of that is kind of in the center of this 4th concrete drain. So in a future reference, if I ever need to know where this stuff is, that's where it is. And let's see, this is the 4, so then the 5, 6, 7 will be in the middle of the 8th one for where it ties in to the sump pump. Alright, so I'm looking forward to tomorrow, have my plumber start the project.